This video is brought to you by Jared at Weber Brothers. I'm giving you another example. This is specifically a front clip for pickup scenario, meaning customers coming with an open deck trailer and opted to not have it wrapped up, which is a good idea if you're doing open transport because the plastic wrapping that we would put around it will not sustain highway speeds. That is for an enclosed setup only. Again, this is customer pickup, no freight wrap. We do offer freight wrapping. If you look at some of my other videos, you'll see exactly how we do it. There is a pretty good expense that goes into freight wrapping. We don't do it for free. We don't try to profit off of you. However, it takes 3 to 4 hours to do it and an awful lot of material, so we do have to charge accordingly. You'll notice the size of this full front clip. Sitting on this skid, we can drop it on your trailer with no issue. We do not, again, we do not load these into pickup beds. They don't fit. We also don't stand them up to try to make them fit. If you would like to show up and pull the parts off and leave behind what you'd like, we can work that out, but please make me aware before you do it. You'll notice there's no dash. We don't include dashes. There's no suspension, no engine, no transmission. I'll get you under the hood here in a minute, and you can see exactly how we set them up. Again, you may not be buying a Volvo, but if you're picking up a front clip, this is exactly what it will look like. Get you under the hood here. So our front clips are pretty standard as far as what's under the hood. Cooling is always there, rad condenser fans. Unless it's an electric car, then things get a little more complicated, but we tend to leave a lot behind that you'll find very, very useful. Splash shields, air filter, underbody splash shields, again, sorry about that. The fender liners are generally included. We're pushing our guys to not cut anything. We disconnect. Usually you'll find cooling hoses, AC lines, which are over there on the far side if you can see. Wiring harness is uncut. We keep it as complete as we can. We just drop out driveline and suspension. If you have any questions, you can of course reach out to me. I'm always happy to answer questions. If we find something, if I see something that I wouldn't personally like, you know, a dent, a ding, major paint scratch, a broken grille, a cracked headlight, anything of that sort, I'm going to tell you before you spend the money and time to come and get it, because surprises are great on birthdays, but that's the end of that. Nobody likes a nasty surprise, and I would rather deal with it in advance versus asking for forgiveness. So if you have any questions, give me a call, 800-222-2528. My direct extension's 112. My name's Jared. Thanks for watching.